Today we got something different for you guys. We're not gonna be in the kayak exactly today. We're gonna go ahead switching things up. We're gonna be in a boat actually. And the reason for this is we got this new reel that we picked up. It's a little 3000 series from Fishingsir. It's a Fishingsir product. And I wanted to see exactly what this little reel can hold. Now, for me, what I want to be able to know is if the reel can handle a fish offshore, it can for sure handle any big species inshore, as in like your drum, your red, you know what I'm saying? So catching these red snapper is definitely gonna put this little reel to the test, and that's exactly what we're about to go ahead and do. Oh, and by the way, link will be in the description along with all the other products we have from them. I went and spooled up a 40-pound Godline braid, which is so far has done good. I bought 65-pound a while back. I've pretty much used it all on my other bigger offshore reels, but now I think about it, 40 has done great. I mean, I've hooked into cobias and stuff and yanked them out of the rigs. Unfortunately, they just don't stay on the hook, or you know, I'd probably have more cobias in the videos, but other than that, I mean, I've been able to yank them out with 40 pounds, so 40 pound has definitely done me good. I'll probably just stick with it because I can spool more line on there, and it seems to be good enough for a kayak. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some action, man. We got on this boat trip, catch some nice red snapper.
There it is. Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one, man. Get him on, get him on.
Ah, it came off. I know he came off. He didn't break that.
Dude, that's a good one, dude. Oh, that's a good one.
Look at the snap right there. It's following it. Oh, shit. It's on there.
Got him?
Yeah.
Good one?
Huh?
Good one?
Yeah, I got it. He's heavy. Watch your line.
Oh, shit, my bad.
Also, there's two boats. I'd be dropping that line down for snapper right now.
They usually do. They're probably going farther offshore after this, you know?
Huh?
They're probably going farther offshore after this. A bigger snapper, you know?
Yeah, it's that big.
You gotta go home with 4 pounds half a pound. Can't do that now. Try to drop a croaker down.
Huh?
Look, there's a helicopter song.
It's a nice one. We'll let it go. That's a good spot to hook them. Big snapper.
Come on, man, get him out. You need me to gaff him?
No, I can swim over. I got leader on. But I don't want him going to the rig. I had a croaker, mullet, and urban fish. It's coming up.
After you get that one up, let's try to move, because, I mean, if we don't get a spot, we already got our 3 limit of reds, you know?
Oh shit, I got me tired. My arm burning.
It's not even that big, man.
Huh?
It's not even that big.
Oh, for real?
No.
Don't like it.
Huh?
Don't like it. Stuck with a chum bag. Wow.
That's just have a nasty look.
It sounds like it's fucked off.
Okay.
Ready to start dropping these?